Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your Garena account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. In the web address bar, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.garena.ph/support and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this customer service page of Garena, scroll down and click on this Email Us Now option. Click on the login button at the right hand corner and choose the login method from where you would like to log into your Garena account and give it a click. Once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this My Tickets option. Give it a click and on the next page, click on the Submit a Ticket option. Scroll all the way down and select your problem that you've encountered. Let me just click on Account right here, select any category of the problem, and once you are done, click the next button. In the subcategory option, click on the drop down and select one of the options. Right where it says content, you can now go ahead and request to delete your Garena account. Once you type in your message stating to delete your account, the next thing to do is to type in your username associated with your Garena account. You can also type in other information that might help Garena support to recognize your account. Once you are done entering your message, you can now click on this boxes at the bottom if you want to notify it by email right when the service agent replies to your ticket by clicking on this little box beneath, and also make sure to enter your email address over here. Type in the email address that is associated with your Garena account. Click on this little box at the bottom in order to accept the terms and service of Garena, and finally click on Submit the Ticket. And now you'll need to wait for the reply from Garena support. That is how you'll be able to request to delete your Garena account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.